Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study science class 5 lesson number 1 unit 1 the brain and the nerves. As we have completed this whole chapter and we also completed the exercise on page number 8 and page number 9. Today we are going to do the answer questions on page number 10. Let's start. First one is name the different kinds of nerves in the body, and its answer is sensory nerves and motor nerves. The answer of question number 1 is sensory nerves and motor nerves. Question number 2 is what is the function of the sensory nerves? Sensory nerves का जो function है वो हमने लिखना है, and its answer is sensory nerves carry signals from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord. ठीक है, this is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3 is what is a reflex action? Which part of the nervous system controls reflex action? And its answer is a reflex action is an automatic and fast movement in response to a stimulus. ठीक है, a reflex action is an automatic and fast movement in response to a stimulus. Medulla controls these actions. ठीक है, medulla is the part of the brain. This is the answer of question number 3. Question number 4 is how does the eyes see things? And its answer is when light rays reflect off an object and enter the eyes through the cornea, then you can see objects. ठीक है, this is the answer of question number 4. Question number 5 is name the parts of the brain. What is the function of each part? And its answer is there are 3 main parts of brain: cerebrum and medulla. ठीक है, अब इनके फंक्शंस क्या क्या है? cerebrum controls voluntary actions, medulla controls involuntary actions, and cerebellum controls the balance and movement of the muscles and joints. ठीक है, this is the answer of question number 5. Question number 7 is how does the nose detect smells? And its answer is the smell chemicals dissolve on the moist lining of nostrils. The nerves carry message to brain and you detect smell. ठीक है, ये smell लिखा हुआ है SMELL. The smell chemicals dissolve on the moist lining of nostrils. The nerves carry message to brain and you detect the smell. This is the answer of question number 7. Question number 8 is if you touch a hot plate, what makes you take your hands away? How does the message get to the brain? And its answer is through reflex action. One takes away hands and the nerves ending on hand feel hot. The message reaches to the spinal cord and to the brain. This is the answer of question number 8. Today we have completed the first unit 1 with whole exercise. We will start the next unit from the next video. आज के लिए इतना ही होगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.